Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the rules of naming variable and let's start. The first rule is variable names can only contain letters, digits and the symbols dollar and underscore. Except this we cannot use anything. For example, let's see. Suppose this contains letters. Now we can put the number like this as well. Okay. Also the dollar sign and underscore sign. But I cannot put any other sign. For example, I cannot put this and sign. Now this is wrong. Also I cannot put like this bracket sign. I cannot put this percentage sign. I cannot put this hash sign. I cannot put this @ sign. No other symbol. Only these two symbols, dollar and underscore. And regarding the digits, regarding the numbers, we can put the numbers at last or at middle. But we cannot begin with the number. For example, if I put here 5, then this is wrong. Because numbers, variable names cannot start with the digit. It must start with either letters or the symbol that we just studied. Another rule is you cannot use reserved keywords like class, return, function, etc. For example, let's see what happens. Const class is 50. So this is wrong because class is already a reserved keyword. You cannot use that. Similarly, const return is 25. I cannot use this because return is already a reserved keyword. And one very important thing, variable names must be meaningful. I cannot just write like this. Const x is 30. So if I write like this, then what is the meaning here? What is the meaning of 30? What is 30? Okay, for example, if it is cart count, then we write cart count. Or suppose it is the age of some person, age of Ram, then we can write like this. So the variable names must always be meaningful. It must not be like X, Y, Z, not like this. And the last thing is we generally follow camelCase while writing the name of variables. For example, let's see this example, age of Ram. So first of all, everything is in small, right? And here O is capital and F is small. And here for Ram, the R is capital and others are small. So this is called the camelCase. At first, we do everything small. Then after, the starting of each word must be capital and others must be small. That is the camelCase. So these are the rules of naming variable.